In this video, I'm gonna solve the doubts about how to use Epic Games name on PS4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. So, as you can see, I'm the official website of Epic Games, and you'll be able to see the information about your account and a lot of things here. You can check store, distribution, support. But I just want to know if you can use Epic Games name on PS4. So, if you try to find that answer right here, you'll be able to not find that answer. So until the moment I record this video, you cannot do that. And you can also try to unlink your account from PSN, and you cannot do that. You can just change your name on PS4 to do that if you want to do that. If you also try to search for that questions in the Google, you'll be able to see the information right here. Players are making the suggestion to choose between the Epic Games name and the PSN game name. So until the moment, as you can see, you cannot do that. The players want that too. So until the moment I record this video, you cannot do that. You cannot use the Epic Games name on PS4. That's how it works. I'm making this video to clarify that information. I hope I helped you in how to use Epic Games name on PS4. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.